Assalamualaikum students. Today we are going to discuss the stability and the reactivity of carbonium ion. So first of all we will discuss that what is carbonium ion and what is its stability or reactivity order. Which of the following carbonium ion or carbocation is more stable? More stable का मतलब है less reactive or less electrophilic. So here is primary carbonium ion. When the carbonium ion is attached to one other carbon atoms. Here we have CH3 whole C. This carbonium ion is attached to three other methyl groups. So it is tertiary carbonium ion. Here we have secondary carbonium ion. Two methyl groups are attached to this carbonium ion. And here we have methyl carbonium ion. So first of all, as we discussed that the triply bonded carbon having positive charge is called carbocation or carbonium ion. So what is the stability order? The stability order of carbonium ion is that tertiary carbonium ion is more stable or less reactive than secondary carbonium ion, then primary carbonium ion, and then methyl carbonium ion which has no other carbon atoms. So let's discuss that why tertiary carbonium ion is more stable than secondary and why secondary carbonium ion is more stable than primary carbonium ion. So student, as carbonium ion is actually electron deficient. When it is electron deficient, so a factor which will decrease its charge factor will increase its stability. यानी वो factor, for example, here we have tertiary carbonium ion. So for the stability of tertiary carbonium ion, we should also know about the delocalization of sigma electron, which is called hyperconjugation, which is similar to resonance, but in resonance here is the delocalization of pi electron, which is more possible or more convenient to occur, but here it is the delocalization of what? Sigma electron, which determine delocalization of what? Sigma electron, which determine the stability of what? Carbonium ion. So for example, here we have three other methyl groups. As we know that methyl group is actually electron donating group, or alkyl group is actually electron donating group. So here when the electron flows from all the alkyl groups towards this positively charged carbon or this electrophilic carbon, obviously the charge on this carbonium ion will decreases, and due to decrease in charge, the stability or the electron deficient nature will decreases. So it will give the extra stability to carbonium ion. But here if we have, for example, methyl pre-radical, so for example we have primary carbonium ion, so here is only one alkyl group which will donate electron to this electron deficient carbonium ion, and in tertiary carbonium ion from three sides there is the flow of electron towards positively charged carbon atom. So obviously tertiary carbonium ion will be more stable than secondary, and secondary will be more stable than what? Primary carbonium ion. Now what happened? For example, here we have this CH3 free radical, ठीक है, CH3 में इस तरह लिख लेता हूँ. Now what is hyperconjugation? When for example this sigma electron is delocalized over here, so it will stabilize this carbonium ion, and the bond between hydrogen and carbon will be like this. It is also called no bond resonance. Hyperconjugation is also called what? No bond resonance. So these hydrogen can also stabilize this carbonium ion by the delocalization of its sigma electron. Three hydrogen are here, three hydrogen are here, so it means total 9 hyperconjugated structures are possible for this tertiary carbonium ion, and these structures will give extra stability to carbonium ion, due to which we can easily say that tertiary carbonium ion is more stable and less reactive. On the other hand, in secondary carbonium ion, less hyperconjugating structures are possible, because secondary means when the carbonium ion is attached to other two carbon atoms. For example, here we have secondary carbonium ion. So 3 from this and 3 from this hyperconjugating structures are possible. But here for example CH3, which is also a primary carbonium ion, and if we like this, for example, it is also a primary carbonium ion. So here at least we have one methyl radical, due to which some to some extent this positive charge will decreases and will give stability. So first of all tertiary carbonium ion, then secondary, then primary, and then methyl free radical. And what is the reactivity order? So a substance which is least stable will be more reactive. So what is the reactivity order? Reactivity order, सबसे ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव कौन होगा? मिथाइल फ्री कार्बोनियम आयन, देन प्राइमरी कार्बोनियम आयन, देन secondary carbonium ion, and then tertiary carbonium ion. So it is the decreasing reactivity order, decreasing the reactivity order. And what is the stability order? Tertiary carbonium ion. ये हम इस तरह भी कह सकते हैं, which one of the following is more electrophilic? So more electrophilic कौन होगा? जिस पर पॉजिटिव चार्ज ज़्यादा होगा, और सबसे लीस्ट electrophilic कौन सा है? tertiary carbonium ion वाला. ठीक है. Now there are certain cases in which we discuss some other factors that, for example, which of the following carbonium ion is more stable? Which of the following carbonium ion, जब हम इस तरह लिखते हैं, it means carbonium ion is more stable or carbocation is more stable. For example, if we have, here we have tertiary carbonium ion, here we have, for example, C6H5 whole 2, we have two phenyl rings which is attached to this. It is actually secondary carbonium ion, but on both sides we have two phenyl rings. It is very interesting that CH3 whole 2 CH, here we have secondary carbonium ion, and CH3CH2, here we have what? Primary carbonium ion. So students, it is not always true that tertiary carbonium ion is always more stable. Even here we have secondary carbonium ion, but here on both sides of this secondary carbonium ion we have two phenyl rings, and these two phenyl rings will give extra stability to this carbonium ion, by which? By resonance. And resonance is more effective than hyperconjugation, because in resonance what happened? The delocalization of pi electron, while in hyperconjugation it is the delocalization of what? Sigma electron. So resonance is more effective than what? Then hyperconjugation. So here, although we have secondary carbonium ion, but this secondary carbonium ion will be more stable than tertiary carbonium ion. Now let's discuss with the help of examples that what happened in diphenyl carbonium ion. For example, here we have one phenyl ring, and here we have two phenyl rings. Now how this phenyl ring will stabilize? For example, if this pi electron pair will shift it over here, so it will stabilize the carbonium ion, complete its octet, and the positive charge of this carbonium ion shifted over here. In the same way, as there is also resonance within the ring itself, so more conjugation of pi electron or more delocalization of pi electron, more resonance, and the same effect will be produced from this side, due to which this is actually what? This is actually secondary carbonium ion, but students, it will be more stable than what? Than tertiary carbonium ion. Now let's discuss the stability and reactivity of carbanion. Which of the following carbanion is the opposite, stability or reactivity order is opposite to the carbonium ion. Which of the following carbanion is more stable or less reactive or less nucleophilic? Less nucleophilic. As carbonium ion is electrophilic, so obviously carbanion will be nucleophilic, electron donor, electron efficient species. For example, we have CH3 whole 3C. The triply bonded carbon having negative charge is called what? Carbanion. Triply bonded carbon having positive charge is called carbocation. That is electrophilic, and it is what? Nucleophilic. it is tertiary carbonyl. Here we have secondary carbonyl. Here we have primary carbonyl, CH2, and here we have only CH3 carbonyl. Now, which one of the following will be more stable? So student, as already we have discussed that substance or that chemical species will be more stable which have less charge. यानी चार्ज जो है ये स्टेबिलिटी को क्या करता है, इफेक्ट करता है. मोर चार्ज मीन्स मोर अनस्टेबिलिटी, मोर reactivity. Now, as in carbonyl, what happen if we take the example of tertiary carbonyl? So student, as carbon have already a negative charge, and as we have discussed in the tertiary carbonium I, alkyl groups are electron donating group. Here already carbon have negative charge and already it have its complete octet, while from other three sides, due to the presence of three alkyl groups, it donate its electron towards this carbonyl, because alkyl groups are actually electron donating in nature. Due to these three alkyl groups, the charge on this carbonyl is further increased, and increase in charge means decrease in what? Stability. So it means it is less stable than which one? Then secondary carbonyl, and secondary carbonyl is less stable than which one? Primary carbonyl. So in this student, we will choose the option D, that here the carbon on the negative charge on this carbon is not increased from any side, but here the negative charge is increased from one methyl group. Here the negative charge increase on this carbon from three sides. In secondary, the negative charge increase on this from two methyl radicals. So it means that more charge means more reactivity and less stability. So students, the order of stability and reactivity in carbonium ion and carbonyl are actually opposite to each other. Thank you.